Hello, my name is Cristancho, and welcome to my video on how to use proximity search. Pretty much a user tutorial on how to use proximity search. The goal of this video is to get someone who has no idea about proximity search and teach them how to use it. So, let's begin. How to search. Proximity search can search by zip code, city, address, or points of interest. Proximity search can also search using any combination of the above, combining a city with a zip code, a city with a point of interest, or just the full address. To enter a query, just type the query and press enter. Time to show some examples of what I mentioned before. So here's the landing page. So, like I said, you can search the zip code. So, let's put one zip code. We search it, and should pull up 33029, right where it needs to be. So, as you can see, you just type in the query and press enter. So, let's look for a city, Miami in this case. You type in the query, press enter, and proximity search should show it for you. And it did. There's Miami, bullseye, right there. After that, let's get a little more ambitious. I was going to say I'm going to type in a full address, but I want to make a point. So let me do something else. Let me just put a points of interest this time. Club space. Let's type in where club space is at. So it takes a bit. And right there, club space is a little bit in Miami right there. So, after that, like I said, I was gonna say a full address. So let's get a little more ambitious and type in a full address. And what this is the address to FIU. So you type in enter, and it should return you the address of FIU, which is right there. But let proximity search show you. Oh, my voice. Yeah. So proximity search has pulled up FIU, and let's zoom in a little bit. And indeed, it's right there, Sweetwater. So yeah, because you could put in a zip code, a city, an address, a point of interest, and you could combine all of them. Yeah, you could search for universities, movie theaters, airports, yeah, let me just type in an airport. So yeah, proximity search is actually pretty flexible. It works pretty well. So, as you can tell, you can see that's the airport, and you can see the landing strips right there. So, proximity search works pretty well, and you can pretty much search a lot of things. Anything that's in your mind, you could search for it. And that's how you use proximity search. Enter what you're looking for, and press enter. So, the next feature I wanted to talk about real quick is autocomplete. Autocomplete is pretty simple. You just type a query in, select what you want to complete, and press enter. And the way autocomplete works is that it just searches the BreazeHome database, and then it completes based on that. It's a pretty simple autocomplete. In my wish list, I wish for autocomplete to be a little more full focus. I mean, a little more in depth. So let's show autocomplete working. 5025. Oh, look at that. We have a completion. Then you can press the button or press enter. This time I decided to press the button, and it should return the address, which is right along some pretty premium real estate over there. So yeah, in a nutshell, to use my feature, just type a query and press enter. Like I said here, type a query, press enter. Any questions? My name is Cristancho. My email is acris005@fiu.edu. And thank you for watching this user tutorial. I hope I made it as simple as possible because I tried to design it to be as simple as possible so anyone can use it. And I hope you guys have a good day.